Welcome to the kitchen. Today, Dalgona Coffee gets a flavorful twist. This whipped coffee is not only trendy but also customizable. To start, gather your ingredients. 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. For the milk, choose your favorite, whole, almond, or oat. First, mix the coffee, sugar, and hot water in a bowl until the sugar dissolves. Next, whip the mixture using a handheld mixer or whisk until it's light and fluffy, about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, for the fun part. Add flavors like vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or even caramel syrup to the whipped mixture for a unique twist. Fill a glass with cold milk and ice cubes, then spoon the flavored whipped coffee on top. For an extra touch, sprinkle cinnamon or cocoa powder on top. And there you have it. Enjoy your deliciously flavored Dalgona coffee, perfect for any time of day.